मुरगांव बंदर प्राधिकरण म्हळ्यारूच MPAचो दिसान-दीस विस्तार जायत आसा. MPAचे बर्थ 10 आणि 11 आता डेल्टा पोर्ट कंपनी चलयतली. MPAचो चेअरमॅन विनोद कुमाराची माहिती. इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्टाच्या नजरेन म्हत्वाचें पावल.
In fact, I would say that it is one of the milestones which the port will see in a long time, because it's going to be a relationship for 30 years. The concessionaire will start working from today, and the port manpower will be used elsewhere. So it is a kind of a win-win situation for the concessionaire as well as the port. And the port will see bigger investments. So they will be investing around 140 crore for the development of both these berths, and they will try to increase the business of the port, whereby the port also will benefit by an increased revenue. Yeah, the concessionaire now has a free hand in determining the SOR, the scale of rates which he will offer to the exporters and importers. So we already had a couple of meetings with the pharma sector and the non-pharma sector about starting the container operations. We are also in touch with the certain feeder operations for feeder vessels here at least once a week, twice a week. So we are examining all these, and I'm sure that the Delta ports will now continue the discussions, and they will start the container operations maybe within 2-3 months. But today you can see two HMCs of state-of-the-art HMCs, I would say, which will work on electricity, and remote control 2 cranes, labor-made cranes of 130-ton capacity coming to the port. It's a huge investment.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.